Yo, what's good? I'm Dawit. I'm back with another one. I'm just gonna go over how I caught a 4R trade today. I actually finished the day making nearly no money and showing you guys how to manage your risk and how to actually end your day positive. This wasn't the best execution as far as trading days goes, but it was a good show of following your plan and how to actually execute. So, coming into the day, we're gonna go over our biases, how we executed on our higher time frame biases on the lower time frames. So what we had going here is first the daily time frame, which is very key. Let me zoom in for you guys. Daily time frame was bullish, even though it wasn't necessarily the most bullish candles that were coming out of it. Call it 50-50, but it was bullish for what it's worth. And then the 4 hour was also bullish. So we wanted 4 hour bullish, daily bullish, even though we were likely to see a flip within the market because of the fact that we were making a bunch of dojis on the daily candle and we were within an indecision phase because for the past week we've just been in this small range, but it hasn't been expanding in any given direction. Scale down to the 1 hour during New York Open. We are bullish on the hourly. We see a retest of what exactly here? Of this fair value gap that was made. So in essence, this is how I end up executing in the morning. 15-minute was I executed actually twice within here on this liquidity sweep and then on this reaction to the upside, thinking that this would potentially be the move off of this 15-minute/5-minute breaker. But it wasn't. We got stopped out, and we're going to go over why and what we could have done better. So when I saw the reaction off of this break of structure and return into the order block and the reaction upwards, I decided to get into longs here, targeting the nearest high and so on and so forth. This got stopped out, unfortunately, and that happens, and I was completely fine with that execution. Proceeding to that, we saw the sweep of this area, and we entered off of it. On my trade locker, I noticed that this thing was a break of structure, but it wasn't on my trading view. This is a broker-to-broker difference, so that's one thing that you need to do. Avoid trading just one broker. Try comparing all of your charts so that you can actually get the most cohesive overall data. Because if you just look at one specific chart, it may mess you up. What's a doji may actually be a blue candle or a red candle. So you could have actually missed this break of structure here had you not known that this was actually a doji that was bearish. Makes sense? So we also entered again on this break and had our stops here, which also got stopped out. Finally, we were given the 5-minute/15-minute fair value gap that was mentioned previously, which was right here. We were given this fair value gap entry, and upon these reactions off of it, we see a break of structure within it, and we return back into the fair value gap and mark this out like this. And we also invalidate the order block by what? Creating and respecting bullish PD arrays. So we get back into here, react off of it, and we essentially enter within there. And from there, we ride it straight to the highs and take half our position off, which was 2R, in essence covering all of our losses for the day. You don't want to trade a lot during the day, and even me, I actually went passing my rules. Normally, I have capped for myself that I don't trade more than twice a day, and if I do, it's just really because everything lined up, and that's even max. I like to keep it at 1. If I win, I usually keep it at a 1 and done. If I lose, I potentially look for a second one, but after that, I usually tend to stop. In this case, we took it, we won, but moving forward, always cannot forget that we have to get maximum of 2 trades in to minimize our losing days and increase the output from our winning days. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Like, follow, and subscribe. Also join the Discord because they got all of these signals throughout the week for free. Somebody just joined the Discord here. I just texted him not too long ago. They got this signal. I told them that I was taking TP1. They got it early. We're currently up 5.5R for the week. We have traded a little more than I would like, considering that we're on our 8th trade for the week because we broke our rule on 2 days. Well, technically, this on the first time we broke it, it wasn't really breaking it because I risked only like 0.5%, and I made sure to do that on both of the trades so that I could take 3 trades for that day because I was not sure that any of them, the first 2 would play out. but you need to establish rules that you will follow within this market that you can actually execute and make sure that you're net positive and your expectancy within this game is always going to be positive. Got it? So I'll see you guys in the next one. Join the Discord, subscribe, follow, hit me up here. It's free. So all you have to do is join and just hit us up. We do live trades here and there. And I'll see you guys in the next one.